Good morning, my dear students. Om asatoma satgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutam gamaya. Om shanti shanti shanti. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for grade 2, that is class 2, the English lesson number 4, the Anya's Sunday. Anya's Sunday. So, as you have the Sunday, Anya too is having her Sunday, right? So, Anya is also having her Sunday. What are the things you do on Sunday that you have to narrate in front of your elders or in front of your class? The class is not working due to pandemic COVID-19. Hence, you share with your parents. So, like this, the Anya Sunday, how Anya spends her day, Sunday. So, let's read and understand what all the things she does in the Sunday. Okay, Anya's Sunday. Which is your favorite day of the week? Why is this day special? Why? Which is your favorite Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? Which is your favorite day? Of course, everyone's favorite day is Sunday, because there's a very leisure, there's a holiday, no school, no class, nothing. Only having fun. That's it. So I love Sunday. Here, Anya loves Sunday. This is my special day because I spend whole time to play, watch TV and doing some other things. Just having relax all the time. Okay, so that is why this is my Sunday is my special day, right? So like this, you describe which is your special day, which is your favorite day. Monday is my favorite day. I go to temple, Shanbasappa temple. Okay, so this and that you tell, right? Whichever day is special, favorite for you, that special day you have to tell why it is special for you, right? So then let's move on. Let's read the lesson and understand what Anya does in her Sunday, in her favorite day. Okay, Anya is a 7 years old girl. How many years old girl you are? How many year old girl you are? Anya is 7 years old. Of course, you are also same age. When you are in the first standard, you are supposed to be 6 or 7. Now it's in the month of November. Of course, you are turned 7. Okay. Anya is 7 years old girl. She lives in a place called Jaipur. Okay. Anya is 7 years old girl. She lives in a place called Jaipur. Now you are in second standard, so your age must be more than 7. More than 7, right? Anya is 7 years old girl. She lives in a place called Jaipur. She is happy today. It is Sunday. She brushes her teeth, takes a quick shower and runs into the kitchen. What all you do on Sunday? First, Anya is 7 years old. Like that, you are 7 years or 8 years old. She lives in the place called Jaipur. Where do you live? You live in the place called Kalaburagi. Okay. She is happy today. You are happy today. It is a Sunday because it is Sunday, right? She brushes her teeth. You brush your teeth, right? Takes a quick shower. Quick shower means fast, immediate, fast ಆಗಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರೋದು. ಸಂಡೇ ಅದು ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಶಾವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಕಿಚನ್. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಏನಾರು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಮನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ, ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಬಡ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಾರ್ದೆ ಕೇಳಾರ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ಸಾಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 7, 8, 9 ನಡೀತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೇನು? ನೀವು ಗುಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡೈಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. She brushes her teeth, takes a quick shower and runs into the kitchen. Mommy, it's Sunday today. Mommy, it's Sunday today. ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಟುಡೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಡೇ ಅದ, says Anya. Her mother smiles at her. I know. Her mother smiles at her. I know. Anya, says mommy. How nice of you, mommy. How nice of you, mommy. I am going to play with daddy. I am going to play with daddy, Anya says. I am going to play with daddy, Anya says. Right? I am going to play with daddy, Anya says. Yes, you can play, but first let's eat breakfast, says mommy. Okay, yes, you can play, but first let's have breakfast, says mommy. Right? Before go to play with dad, first let's have the breakfast, says mommy. Yes, you can play, but first let us eat breakfast, says mommy. Okay, next, after she finishes eating her breakfast, Anya sits down to play a board game called Ludo with daddy. Anya sits down to play a board game called Ludo with daddy. They laugh and play. They have so much fun. So board games are there like Ludo, chess, snakes and ladder. These are called carom, are called board games or indoor games. She plays the board games with her daddy. They laugh and play. They have so much fun. After some time, Anya's friend Pooja comes over to her house. Both of them read storybooks together. They have a good time together. They both do read the storybooks and they have a good time together. Okay. Who comes to Anya's house? Pooja, Paul and Pinky. Pooja comes over to her home. Whose home? Anya's home. What the game do? She and her father play. Anya and her father plays a board game called Ludo. Okay. What was the day? It was a Sunday. Is she happy or sad? She is happy. She brushes her teeth and take a quick shower, run to the kitchen. Okay. She tells her mother that it's Sunday today. Her mom smiles at her and her mom says, yes, I know my dear, says Mama. She says, how nice of you. Then I want to go to play with daddy. Let's have breakfast first, then you can play, Mama says. After finishing her eating, Anya sits down to play a board game called Ludo with her daddy. They laugh and play. They have so much fun. After some time, Anya's friend Pooja comes over to her house. Both of them read storybooks. What kind of books they read? Storybooks. Together, they have a good time together. In the evening, Anya goes to the park nearby and play with other children. They all have lots of fun. In the evening, Anya goes to park nearby and play with other children. They all have lots of fun. In the evening, Sainkala, Anya goes to the park nearby and play with her children. Play with other children means Anya goes to the park. ಅನ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳ, ಅವಳ ಮನೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂಗತ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾಳ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್. ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್. ಭಾಳ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಅನ್ಯ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ವೆನ್ ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಯ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಶಿ ವಾಷಸ್ ಹರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್. As soon as you come from outside, you must wash your hands and face and your legs. Okay? When the sun sets, Anya comes back home. She washes her hands and face. Mommy says, Anya, be a good girl and pack your bag for school tomorrow. Okay? Mummy says, Anya, be a good girl and pack your bag for school tomorrow. As you have a school tomorrow, so that you prepare your bag, you pack your bag, Mama says. Yes, Mummy, says Anya. Yes, Mummy, says Anya. She packs her bag and keeps her uniform ready for the next day. She packs her bag and keeps her uniform ready for the next day. Then she eats dinner. She packs her bag and keeps her uniform ready for the next day. Then she eats dinner. Anya brushes her teeth and gets into bed. This is one of the good habits. You have to pack your bag and keep uniform and other things ready so that tomorrow morning no need to search for them. And she had dinner. Before going to bed, she brushes her teeth. Why? We need to brush our teeth twice a day. One, as soon as you wake up, and second, as you go before the bed. The 2 times you have to brush. Okay? That is called oral hygiene. You have to maintain your oral hygiene. Right? Twice you have to brush. Right? Anya brushes her teeth and gets into bed. Her parents wish her good night. And goes to sleep happily at 9 p.m. Her Sunday has been good. Here, board game means a game that is played by moving pieces on the special board. That's called board game. Okay? Ludo is a board game. Chess is a board game. Carom is the board game. Snakes and ladder is a board game. Alright? A game that is played by moving pieces on a special board. That's called board game. These are also called indoor games. Okay? This is the Anya's Sunday. Her Sunday has been good. Right? Her Sunday has been good. So, let's read the lesson one more time so that you people should understand this lesson thoroughly. Anya is 7 years old girl. How many years old Anya is? Anya is 7 years old girl. She lives in a place called Jaipur. 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 She is happy today. It is Sunday. She brushes her teeth, takes a quick shower. Shower means shower on ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಕೆಟ್ನ ನೀರು ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ಸ್ನಾನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಶಾವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಕಿಚನ್. ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಡೇ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಟ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೀದಾ ಹುಡ್ಕೊತ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಕಿಚನಿಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಟುಡೇ ಸೇಸ್ ಆನ್ಯಾ. Her mother smiles at her. I know, Anya, says Mommy. How nice of you, Mommy. I am going to play with Daddy, Anya says. Yes, you can play, but first let's have breakfast, says Mommy. So here, Anya is having a breakfast. Before going to play with her dad. Okay. After The After she finishes eating, Anya sits down to play a board game. Anya sits. After she finishes eating, Anya sits down to play a board game called Ludo with Daddy. They laugh and play. They have so much fun. They laugh and play. They have so much fun. After some time, Anya's friend Pooja comes over to her house. After some time, Anya's friend Pooja comes to her house. ಅನ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಜೊತೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಆಡಿ ಆರಾಮ್ ನಕ್ಕೋತ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಆಟ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಳು. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರು. ದೇ ಬೋತ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಓದಿದ್ರು. ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಓದಿದ್ರು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಮಯನ ಕಳೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ. In the evening, Anya goes to the park nearby and plays with other children. Anya ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳ, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಆಯಿತು, ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ Anya goes to the park ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ Anya ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, Anya ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಜೊತೆ Anya ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳ. ಓಕೆ, Anya goes to the park nearby and play with other children. They all have lots of fun. When the sun sets, and sunsets ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗೋ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗ. When the sun sets, Anya comes back home. She washes her hands and face. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ತನ್ನ ಕೈ ಕಾಲು ಮುಖನ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲು ಅಂತ. Mummy says, Anya, be a good girl and pack your bag for school tomorrow. ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಅನ್ಯ. ಆಯಿತು ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. ನಾಳೆ ದಿವಸ ಮಂಡೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಅನ್ಯ ಬ್ರಷಸ್ ದ ಟೀತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಬೆಡ್. ಅನ್ಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ಬೆಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಶ್ ಹರ್ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಅಟ್ 9 PM. ಅವಳು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಮಲಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಲಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹರ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗುಡ್. ಅವಳ ಸಂಡೇ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಳೀತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ Anya Sunday, so this is the answer time now. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Anya is happy because it is a fun day or Sunday? It's Sunday. Yes should be capital. Right? Sunday. Anya plays dash game with her dad, with her father. Board game or basketball. She plays board game with her dad, with her father. Pooja and Anya read books at home. Play games or read books. Pooja and Anya reads books at home. In the evening, Anya goes to dash to play with other children. Shop or park. She goes to the park to play with other children. Anya goes to dash at 9 PM. Anya goes to sleep at 9 PM. Right? Sleep or eat. She goes at 9 PM. She goes to sleep by brushing her teeth. Tick the correct answer. On Sunday, school starts at 9 AM. School gets over by 12 in the afternoon. There is no school. On Sunday. Sunday is holiday. The name of the game that Daddy and Anya plays is chess, Ludo, snakes and ladder. Ludo. They play, Anya and her dad play Ludo game. Okay? After dinner, everyone sleeps, dance, read books. Everyone sleeps. Write true or false. Write T for the true and F for the false. Mummy knows that it is Sunday. True. Daddy does not like to play with Anya. False. As they played and they had a fun. Anya comes back home when the sun sets. True. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನ್ಯ ಅಂತ. It's correct. Okay. So now, let's learn new words. Words that go together. Read the following sentences from the story. She brushes her teeth, takes a quick shower, 2 words, and runs into the kitchen. They have a good time together. She brushes her teeth, takes a quick shower, and runs into the kitchen. Quick shower is the group of words. They go together. Quick shower. Good time together. Anya, be a good girl. Pack your bag for the school tomorrow. These are called the words go together. Okay, look at the words in blue. These are sometimes some words that always go together. Pack your bag, good time, quick shower, like that. Look at the words in blue. You can see them in blue, right? This is blue. These are some words that always go together and have a specific meaning. These are commonly used as together in sentences. Some more examples are here. Answer a question: hard work, running late, warm welcome. These are the words that go together. Answer a question: hard work, running late, warm welcome. Right? So this is the words go together. Match the word with in column A and column B. Make a group of words that go together with them in column C. Keep an eye. Play guitar. This is right here in C. Play guitar. Make a mistake. Get ready. Pay attention. These are the words that go together. Okay? ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Play game, play guitar, pay attention, make a mistake, get ready, right? Keep an eye. So like this. So these are the words that come together, that go together. Let's learn the sounds. Read the words aloud. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. Notice the change of the sound on ending and adding E and A respectively. ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಎ ಅಥವಾ ಇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೇಪ್. ಕಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. Hug plus E, huge. R plus A, area. A plus way, away. A plus mid, amid. Read loudly. Cap, cap plus E, cape. CUT cut plus E, cute. CUT cut plus E, cute. HUG hug plus E, huge. ARER plus A, area. A plus way, away. A plus mid, amid. Join E and A with the following words to make the new words. Make the new word. Right? Car, CAR, car plus E, care. Right? Car plus E, care. A plus new, a nive. Pal plus E, pale. A plus jar, a jar. Right? So like this. Then hop plus E, hope. Plus E, hope. A plus top, a top. Fat plus E, fate. Plus E, fate. A plus far, a far. Just adding one vowel sound makes a new word. Just read loudly and learn this, the adding of a or a respectively to form a new word here, right? Hop plus e, hop. A plus top, a top. Fat plus e, fate. A plus far, a far. Like this, we will form a new words. That new words will give a complete new meaning. Okay? Right. Let's listen and speak. Listening and speaking. So this you do at your home. Why was Johnny happy? So maybe the same story, Sunday, that, like that. Okay. So here, what do you do on long holiday? What do you do on long holiday? Do you like to visit any place? Tell the class how you spent your last summer holiday. You get a long holiday in summers, right? In summers we plan for the trips or tours, right? For the trips or the tours we visit Bengaluru, Mysuru, Hampi, Halebeedu, or the like hill stations, okay, right? Or in the beaches, right? Or the holy places we visit, right? How do you spend your long holidays or your summer holidays? Share with your friends or your brother, sister, or at your home, your parents, right? Okay? Because schools are not working, so you need to work this activity at home, right? Let's move on to the learn grammar. 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 Grammar is most important for any language. Grammar is most important for any language. So you must understand the grammar well, right? So grammar, grammar. Let's learn grammar. Am, is, are, have, has, have. Read these sentences from the lesson. I am going to play with daddy. Why this I am going to play with daddy? I am. These are called to be verbs. Am, is, were, have, has, been. These are called to be verbs. I am going to play with daddy. This is the present continuous tense. I am going to play with daddy. She is happy today. They are having so much of fun. Why it is I am, she is, they are. So there is some set of rule to form a sentence using these to be verbs. Okay, I will teach you that. Look at the words in the pink. We use am with the pronoun I. Am with the pronoun I, she with the person or thing, and it with the pronouns he, she, it. He is coming, she is coming, it is coming, she is going, he is going, it is going. Okay? It is eating, she is eating, he is eating. Like this, we have to use is when the third person comes. Third person. Is the one person or a thing with and with the pronouns he, she, it. Whenever he, she, it comes, that time we use is. He is, she is, and it is. He is, she is, and it is. Are with two or more people or a thing, that with the pronoun you, we, they. For example, we are. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್. ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್? ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್? ಅದು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್. ಯು ಕಮ್ಸ್. ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಥವಾ ನೀನು. ನೀನು ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್. ARER. ಮತ್ತು ದೇ, ಅವರು, ಅವುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ARER. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್. ಅವನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹಿ ಈಸ್. ಅವಳೊಬ್ಬಳೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಶಿ ಈಸ್. ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್. ಯು ಆರ್, ನೀನು ಇದೆಯಾ, ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್. ದೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದೇ. ನಾವು based on that we will do some activity. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. My name is Riya. My name is Riya. I am a student. These are very interesting. Is he coming to the school tomorrow? Is. He ಬಂದಾಗ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ? ಎಸ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೀಮಾ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೀಮಾ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್. ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, you have, she has, he has, it has, they have. ಅಂದ್ರೆ he, she, it ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅವಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಉಳಿದ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಅವನು, ಅವಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. He has, she has, it has. Okay. So they all have a lot of fun. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹರ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗುಡ್. ಅವ್ರ ಸಂಡೇ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ he, she, it. She, he, it. Have with the two or more people or things that with the pronouns I, you, we, you. I, you, we, they. I, you, we, they ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಉಳಿದ ಕಡೆ ಹಿ, ಶಿ, ಇಟ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅದ್ರಾಗ. ಓಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಫಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ fill in the blanks with a has and have. This activity we did in the UKG also. Right? Fill in the blanks with a has and have. Do you have a red pen? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು, ಇಟ್. A spider has 8 legs. I have, ನಾನು 2 sisters ನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I have 2 sisters. We have exams tomorrow. A camel has a hump. ಈ ತರ ಆ ಕೆಮಲ್ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಂಪ್ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕೆಮಲ್. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ, ಆಮ್, ಆರ್, ಈಸ್, ದೇ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ an invitation card. An invitation card is used to invite people for a party or an event. The following informations are given in an invitation card. Right? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, an invitation card is used to invite people for a party or an event. The following informations are given in the invitation. What event is, when it is, where it is, and what's the time, and who is the inviter. That all should be present in the invitation card. Event or a reason for the party or the event. ಏನಪ್ಪ, birthday or anniversary. Day and a date of the party or the event. Day and date of the party or the event. Based on this, next, time and a place. Time and a place where the party or the event will take place. Name the contact number of the person to be contacted for more information. Look at this invitation card. This is the birthday invitation card. Here you can see the birthday invitation, how the birthday exactly looks like. In the birthday arrangements, the balloons, then these pastings are here, hangings will be there. Then these are this kind of arrangements will be made in the birthday invitation. So birthday, so that look is given to this invitation. You are invited to celebrate Samir's birthday on Saturday, 7th March between 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. On 17th March between 4 to 7 p.m. at 21B Mayur Apartments, JP Nagar. Who is the inviter? Mahesh with the phone number. Okay, this is the birthday party. This is the birthday party, right? Title of this invitation. So like this you can prepare your own invitation. Okay, now make an invitation card in your notebook inviting your friends to your grandma's birthday party. Instead of Samir's birthday party, you take your grandma's and write her name. Alright, so like this you prepare your invitation for your grandma's birthday. Okay, so like this. Then we have values and life skills. We have values and life skills. Imagine you are Anya. You have finished your homework and you are going to watch some cartoons on TV. Your mother is already watching her favorite TV program and your father is planning to watch cricket match next. How will you tell them allow you to watch the cartoons discussed in the class? Okay, your mother is already watching her favorite show in the TV, and your father is planning to watch a cricket match the next to her mother. In between that, you want to watch the cartoon show. How you request? What will you do? You go for cry, you go for shouting, you go for fight, or you go for request. It's better to go with the request. You tell to your parent that you have completed your homework and you have completed all the school works. Okay, just for 20 minutes or 30 minutes I want to watch my cartoon show. Then after I will set back to my work. Like this you have to ask politely to your parents so that they will understand, they will let you to watch the cartoon show. Okay, instead crying, shouting, fighting, etc., you better to go in the politely way. That is called politeness, right? So this is the value and life skills we have to learn in this lesson. Okay, this is all about the lesson Anya's Sunday. Okay, I think you have not properly understood the grammar part, so let me help you to understand better. Okay, I will give you some more discussion based on the grammar part. Okay, use of am, are, is, they. Then I will give you use of have and has. Okay, so before to that, let's understand the singular and plural, first person, second person, and the third person. Right? So in the last year we have learnt the singular and plural and first person and the second person. This is singular and plural. Okay, singular and a plural. So here I comes singular. This is the first person. Okay, first person, and you comes second person. Okay, and he, she, it comes as third persons. These three are called third persons. Okay, this is the I is the first person, you is the second person, and he, she, it are the third persons, and these are singulars. I, you, he, she, it are the singulars. Singulars means ಒಂದೇ, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ, right? ಒಂದೇ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿ ಶಿ ಇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ಗೆ ಐ ಉಯ್, ಐ ಉಯ್, ಯು ಯು, ನಾನು ನಾವು, ನೀನು ನೀವು, ಹಿ ದೇ, ಅವನು ಅವರು, ಶಿ ದೇ, ಅವಳು ಅವರು, ಇಟ್ ದೇ, ಅದು ಅವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂತೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್, ಐ ಆಮ್, ವಿ ಆರ್, we are, you are, you are. Being a second person singular, whenever you comes, ನೀನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನೀವಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವಾಗ that we have to write are. This is the exceptional cases. You are, you are, you are. He has, she has, they, it has, it has. He has, she has, it has, they have, they have. Sorry, I'm sorry. So this is he is. I'm telling you about use of am, are, is, they. Right? Am, are, I'm telling you suppose to about am, is, are, right? I'm supposed to teach you about this am, is, are. So that I am, we are, you are, and he is, she is, it is, they are, ನೋಡಿಲಿ, I am, we are, you are, he is, they are, she is, they are, it is, they are. ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ನೀನು ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ, ಯು ಆರ್, ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಹಿ ಈಸ್, ಅವನು ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವು ಇದಾವ, ಅದು ಇದೆ, ಅವು ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ ಲಿಕ್ಕಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್, ವಿ ಆರ್, ಯು ಆರ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್. ಆಮ್, ಈಸ್, ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ರೂಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿ, ಶಿ, ಇಟ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು, ವಿ ಮತ್ತು ದೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಾಗ ಐ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಬಂದಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದ ಕಡೆ ವಿ, ಯು, ದೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿ, ಶಿ, ಇಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಐ, ವೈ, ಯು, he, they, she, they, it, they ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. third person. First person, I, you, I first person, I, we first person, you second person, he, they third person, she, they, it, they ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಾಗ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, I have, you need to say. I have, we have. Right? We have. You have, you have. Right? Illi, he has, she has, it has. They have, they have. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವನು, ಅವರು, ಅವಳು, ಅವರು, ಅದು, ಅವು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ he has, she has, it has, they have and they have ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ದ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಐ, we, you, he, she, it and they ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸು ಐ, ವಿ, ಯು, ದೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ he, she, it ಬಂದಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. I have to go. I have 5 pencils. I have 5 pencils. We have 5 pencils. You have 5 pencils. You have 5 pencils. He has 5 pencils. They have 5 pencils. She has 5 pencils. They have 5 pencils. It has 5 pencils. They have 5 pencils. Like this. I am going to market. We are going to market. You are going to market. You are going to market. He is going to market. They are going to market. She is going to market. They are going to market. It is going to market. They are going to market. So like this you have to make your own sentences for better understanding. Okay, hope you guys understood this thoroughly. Okay, so by this I will wind up this lesson, that is Anya goes to school and Anya Sunday and the grammar part. Okay, just listen, watch to the video first and then take your book, simultaneously play the video, simultaneously start reading accordingly. Then you will understand how to read, how to pronounce, and try to understand all concept of this lesson. Right? Hope you understood. I will end up this session here only. Till then, take care. Bye bye.